Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your Tower 28 beauty subscription, or you can say membership. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Please note, you cannot cancel your subscription after you have paid, or you have been charged, so you have it for a whole year. You can, however, cancel its renewal for the following year. But to prevent next subscription charges, you can send an email at least 30 days before end of current subscription. Send an email regarding your Tower 28 beauty subscription cancellation. Open the default email application on your device and compose an email. In the subject box, add cancel Tower 28 beauty subscription. Then provide details of your subscription like the name, registered email address, subscription end date, reason of cancellation, and also give your personal information that they may require for your cancellation. When you are satisfied with the email, send it to hey@tower28beauty.com. And you are done.
By using this method, you can easily cancel your Tower 28 beauty membership or subscription. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.